Good morning to all. What is biofloc culture? For the last 4 years or almost 10 years, aqua farmers are very much showing interest towards biofloc culture. What is the definition for biofloc culture? The term biofloc culture itself is not correct because bio means living organisms, flock means colonies. The microorganisms like bacteria, fungus, protozoa, many plant in origin and animal in origin live together in colonies. The colonies of living organisms exist since ages, since the origin of water. Wherever water bodies are found, without our any plantation or introduction of any seeds, automatically the biofloc arises. Even we people find during the summer season the total lands are empty and totally sun dried, and the same place during the rainy season when rain falls heavily and water is stored in ditches beside the road or your nearby house or in many places. These water ditches first you find empty and they are clear, crystal clear waters. But after 4-5 days of time, when there is no rainfall and sunlight is heavily available, automatically the water in ditches turns into green in color. And so many flies like small organisms fly over the ditches and they lay eggs, and even you find so many rotifers, cladocerans, dinoflagellates, amoeba, and even fungus like yeast, and the phytoplankton organisms like spirulina, chlorella, like that. So many microorganisms exist in the ditches. Previously, during the summer months, the land was totally empty and it was totally dry. But after rains, when the water stored in the ditches, without any person's activity, the biofloc arises. So, arising of biofloc, the living microorganisms in colonies, is existing since ages. Even the largest animal in the ocean, the whale, also consumes this biofloc or the micro living organisms for its survival. And many of the aquatic organisms live on both phytoplankton as well as zooplankton and also the existing bacterial fungal colonies. All these together are named as biofloc. So biofloc exists anywhere in the water media. Maybe it is ocean, sea, river, canal, pond, lake, or even small ditches. Thus, there is no need to name the plastic tank container culture for fisheries as biofloc culture. Biofloc exists since ages. For the development of the biofloc in the plastic container tanks or cotton canvas tanks or even cemented constructed tanks, and even in the earthen dugout ponds, we go for administering organic fertilizers like cattle dung, poultry litter, pig manure, biogas slurry, and even the eatable items like de-oiled groundnut cake, rice bran, for enhancing the NPK values and also the required vitamin mineral values in the water, so that the biofloc arises and grows in larger scale. And after introduction of our seedlings, maybe fishes, shrimps, prawns, even mussels, they eat on these living microorganisms and they grow fast. These are all like